Hello guys. Today we are going to do a new TikTok challenge that is called, wrong cabinet. The Tide Pod Challenge. Let me go get a cup. Ooh, perfect. Dang it. Here we go. Now all we need to do is put the Tide Pod in there, as you can see. Then turn on the sink, and then after it's full, close the sink, put the cup over here, and you drink it like a man. Oh, that was delicious. That was extremely delicious. What? I think I'm getting a... Mario, where are you? Wait, where's Mario? Mario, I made your favorite spaghetti. Or actually, I don't think I did. Mario. Mario must be playing with me. Oh, hello, Mr. Giraffe. Have you seen any Mario? No? Okay. Is Mario behind the heater? No, he's not. I'm mad. Mario. Oh, you won't believe what I found. Mario? Yoshi! What do you want? Yoshi, Mario's dead. Let me go see. You see? Mario's dead. Oh. Oh no. Mario? Zoe! Oh! No, Toad, don't drink it! Oh shoot, we got Toad dust on our head. Not my problem. No! I'll give you some free tax fraud. What'd you say? Okay, I'm in. Three minutes later. Hey, don't you think it's kind of awkward that our son just left? Yeah, it is kind of awkward. Well, as a responsible mother, you should go get it, because I'm a father. Ugh. Oh my gosh, what happened? Yoshi! Who you calling? We have difficult names. Oh shoot, what happened? I'm gonna go call Boo. Okay, so I brought Boo with me. How you doing? Boo, what's happening to them? Oh yeah, they told me all about it. It says it was a prank. Leave him alone. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't think this is a prank, fool. I know, but let's leave him alone. I'm gonna go back to my house. Did it work? Okay, you know what? No, it's not a prank. Luigi! Yes. Yes. I don't think they're dead. I actually think they're dead. I've seen this thing in a book or a movie once. Let me get some Cheerios. I got some Cheerios. They say that if you put some on the ground, then get this Cheerio. Get this Cheerio and put it on his hat. They'll be alive. Okay, I'm out. Ooh, Cheerio! Like there. Ooh, Cheerios! Cheerios? Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if it's too early to say this, but comment, like, and subscribe, I guess. If you like this video, push that red button, punch it with a Tide Pod. If you like Cheerios, say yeah. And also, this is what I look like. Or like this. Yeah, there we go. This is what I look like. So, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys have a good day. And if you don't like this video, turn your device upside down and smash that dislike button. It'll help out. Okay, bye.